Hi everyone, this is Crystal from A Crystal Clear Life, and I'm coming to you today from this beautiful location. We're at our timeshare here down in North Carolina, and it's been an absolutely fabulous week. It is our final day, and this whole week I've really been thinking about the concept of living simply, and a lot of people have said to me, various YouTubers and friends and even my sister, if you could just scale it down to what you take on vacation or what you have if you go to a condo or a timeshare, maybe that's enough. Maybe that's enough to live with. So today I just wanted to give you a peek inside the kitchen, which seems to be an area that attracts a lot of clutter for all of us. So I want to give you a peek inside the kitchen of our timeshare unit here and see what the essentials are in that kitchen, and maybe when I go home I can get rid of a few things, thinking to myself, yes, it's much easier to find things and it's much easier to clean things and put them away if we pare it down to just the essentials. So stick with me and I will show you what's happening inside the kitchen of our condo. So people talk about narrowing down your kitchen to what it would be if you were in an Airbnb or a timeshare. So I thought on this last day of my timeshare, I would walk you through and show you what the kitchen looks like and what kinds of things they have in the timeshare. So let's take a quick look. I'll start here in this front corner and we'll just go around the room. So you can see here there's a knife block on the countertop. And in this top cabinet, there's some plastic cups, and the cabinet is empty. We use this as our pantry shelf. Then we have the microwave, and above the microwave, empty. And the stove. This drawer has the placemats for the table. This cabinet has some glass, like Pyrex, bowls with lids. And moving to the next cabinet after the microwave, there's a platter and a large bowl, enough mugs for everyone. A total of 8, 3 are in the dishwasher, plates and bowls. Empty space at the top, 8 wine glasses, 8 drink glasses, and 8 water glasses. And then on top of the countertop here, they have utensil holder with very minimal slotted spoon, whisk, a pair of tongs, a coffee pot, and toaster. And in this drawer, basic can opener, ice cream scoop. In the next drawer, there's a mixer. And down here, we have 2 skillets, a soup pot, and 2 saucepans. And on this side, we have a colander, a baking sheet, a cake pan, a blender, and a pitcher. And then the refrigerator here in the corner. Now on this side, you see I have my handy dandy kitchen tub, my portable cooler, and my water cup that I take everywhere. If you want to see more about my kitchen tub, which is here, that has all kinds of things that we need when we travel, I have a video for that. I'll link that above. But over here we have a small sink, and underneath the sink is an empty drawer and an empty cabinet. This drawer has all the silverware, 8 of each. Empty drawer, empty drawer, Empty drawer. And then the dishwasher. Oh, and above the dishwasher, my tub is 3 like open shelves, empty. Then this one has a big glass bowl, which is usually where we put our fruit and oranges. And then this little basket here in the bottom has pot holders and teas and coffees and that kind of thing. But since it's the end of the week, we've used those. The bar here tends to be our workstation. Down here is the dishwasher. Then underneath the sink, they give us dish soap and a sponge. But underneath the sink, we have a fire extinguisher, some trash bags, some dishwashing tablets, and extra strainers and things for the sink. And the last cabinet in this kitchen, right here under my purse, empty drawer, and empty cabinet. So there it is. Most of the drawers and cabinets in this kitchen are empty. Now, if you're striving to get your kitchen to be like a kitchen in a timeshare unit, good luck. I've not had that luck yet, but I do like the look of having everything neat and tidy without a lot of extraneous things. Well, you know, as you can see, there's a lot of empty cabinets in that condo kitchen, and you know, it seems like all the essentials are here. I do bring a few things in my kitchen tub, and again, I'll leave a link up above if you'd like to see more about that kitchen tub, but really, we didn't find that we were lacking too many things. We did cook meals here. We had breakfast, lunch, and dinner here on most days. So who knows? Maybe I should give it a try. One thing to think about is to take those items that you're not sure if you want to get rid of yet and put them in maybe a quarantine box or a deferred box. Maybe put a label on the top that says if you haven't used this by 2023, December of 2023, go ahead and get rid of it, because that will mean that you haven't missed it. Anyway, all these things are things to think about. It sure would be nice to have a pared down kitchen, although I don't think that I would have 50% of my cabinets empty like we have here. Anyway, here's hoping that you can live a more simplified and organized life through better planning and maybe decluttering. Until next time. Okay, bye.